After a long gap, I took a road trip to Anandagiri Hills. Anandagiri Hills is the most travelled weekend destination from Hyderabad in rainy season. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are on the way to Anandagiri Hills. We just stopped somewhere on the fields. From Hyderabad, approximate distance is about 85 to 90 kilometers. On the way to Anandagiri Hills, you can see many beautiful green fields like this, especially if you are traveling in rainy season. But if you are planning to take your car to these fields, just be sure the ground is safe or this could happen to you also. We somehow managed to take out the car from the field. By the time we reached Anandagiri Hills, it was afternoon. So we thought let's have lunch and go for the trekking. So we stopped somewhere around the main junction and had our biryani. Food was not that great. It's better to carry some food from your home only.
13 members. दो कार अना 13 అంటే 260 60 అంతేనా 13 మెంబర్స్.
To go to the trekking path of Anandagiri Hills, you have to park your vehicle. Parking charge for a car is rupees 30 and for each person to enter you have to pay rupees 20. This is the starting point of the trek. There's an easier path, but we choose to go downhill like this. We were expecting there will be rain, but unfortunately there was no rain. On the trekking trail, you can see a small waterfall. The views from each point was just amazing. It was cloudy, but it was hot also. So we started our trekking somewhere around that point. I think it's just about 3 to 4 kilometers to reach this point. It's better to carry some water and some snacks. You can see a lot of cows and goats grazing in the fields. If you visit Anandagiri Hills in seasons other than monsoon, this is how it looks like. So I highly suggest you to visit Anandagiri Hills only in rainy season. From Anandagiri Hills, we went to Kottapalli Reservoir. It's at a distance of around 27 kilometers. Unlike Anandagiri Hills, here you can get a variety of snacks. This is Kottapalli Reservoir. Best thing about this place is you have the option for doing kayaking. We went straight to the kayaking point. For a single seater kayak, they will charge you 200 and double seater kayak 300 for 30 minutes. It was written below 10-year kids are not allowed. On the day we went, the water level was very high and they were not permitting kids below age of 14 years. Here you have to write a self-declaration form. Swimming is not allowed in these waters even with life jackets. This was very enjoyable and thrilling. Last time on my visit to Kottapalli Reservoir, water levels were not at all high. Water levels were too less. But this time, water levels were high and some areas they were not allowing to kayak. After kayaking, we went to the Kottapalli check dam. At first, police were not allowing us to go through this. But once police moved from this place, people started walking in. So we also followed them. Just keep in mind, if you go in summer, there won't be water here. It will be an empty bund, and this bund acts like a shorter route for villagers to pass through. We had a lovely one-day trip. This place is best if you visit in monsoon time. Otherwise, most of the areas will be dried and it will be very hot. Hope you liked this video. If you have any queries or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching.